This is the Ligsan rolling travel backpack, and I'm going to show you why it's quickly become my favorite travel bag. Well, spoiler, one reason I love it is because all of its space. And to prove it, I want you to take a look right here. I'm packing for a 7-day international trip. We have my shirts, we've got pants, all my socks and underwear in here, lightweight jacket, toiletries, laptop, and just a bunch of other random stuff. So what do you think? Will all this fit into this bag? And just like that, the Ligsan gobbles up all my stuff in a snap. Look at this. Tons of space left over. And right here with the laptop, you see a bunch of room. I still have this front pocket I haven't even used. And I mean, pockets galore in this bag. This is a pretty deep, upper pocket. And the second largest compartment is right here. You see, I have my travel documents tucked in there. We have a zippered mesh pouch, another little pocket, 2 spaces for pens, and another zippered area. This is where I put some travel goodies. And a fun little key ring that detaches so you could, put your keys on there. Nice. But wait, there's even more pockets. This one at the bottom of the bag gives us, a couple more pouches. Very nice. And then on either side of the bag, you have some real deep mesh pockets, which, are perfect for water bottles. And on both sides, we have these compression straps to even compress it down even more. Something else I really like about it is this durable, high quality handle. When I pick this up and I, pack my bag a lot, it's brimming, but I'm never worried about this handle giving out. It feels really solid. And in here, we've got the telescoping handle. And yes, the handle's at a great height and it rolls so smoothly. And if you ever get the urge to ditch the wheels and throw this thing on your back, well, this bag's got you covered. Just unzip, reach in and pull out the heavy-duty backpack straps. And you're good to throw this over your shoulder and go. Something else I love about it, the size. This has never let me down, traveling on a lot of random airlines throughout Europe. This bag always fits in the overhead compartments, and I never have to pay any extra bag fees. In case I haven't made my love for this bag crystal clear, all the space makes packing a breeze. All the zippered compartments are super cool. I've never run into any issues using this as a carry-on, and I travel a lot, and that's a huge factor for me. And bottom line, it's just a high-quality bag, which, shocker, I highly recommend.